Hello, welcome to the demo presentation of my Capstone project from Devmountain's Web Development Bootcamp. I'll briefly introduce myself and then go into the features of my project. My name is Mitchell Crane. I am a web developer. I graduated with a bachelor's degree in digital marketing at Utah Valley University. Shortly after, to pursue a passion I had with building through code, I enrolled in the Web Development Bootcamp at Devmountain and graduated September of 2021. I find fulfillment in family time, exercise, anything vehicle or bike related, fixing things, as well as serving and lifting up those around me. That's enough about me. Let's talk about my project. I created this maintenance tracker app because it solves a problem I run into often, which is keeping track of maintenance records. I often find myself digging through paperwork in the glove box to find warranty info and maintenance records. Now onto the app. Creating the app, I set up a 3-table PSQL data structure that assigns maintenance records to vehicles and vehicles to users as foreign keys. All of this data is kept track of live on Heroku. I also used React, JavaScript, CSS, and HTML in the creation of this web app. A user such as Bosco signs in and first sees a list of all the vehicles in his garage. He then is able to see each maintenance record pertaining to each vehicle. All of the vehicle and record data that is tied to the user is loaded in from an axios.get function. This function hits an endpoint on the back end and retrieves the data with a pool.query select statement. Each input to add a vehicle or a record executes an on-click function. This function takes the values typed into the state, parses them, runs an axios.post to the backend, which is then handled in a pool.query to insert the data in the PSQL database. After the post is made, I used a .then function to set the state of the inputs back to an empty string, and then made a axios.get request, which refreshes the page with the newly added data. To close, I want to talk about 2 challenges I had while building this project. One was building it from scratch. It was difficult to imagine how it would all come together, but after a bit of planning, learning, and building every feature piece by piece, I was able to create a functioning app. Challenge 2, there were many docs for how to set up PSQL, and I had a hard time finding which setup would work with the specific needs of my project. After a lot of trial and error, I found a setup that fit the needs of my project and went with it. That is the end of the Maintenance Tracker demo video. Thanks for watching.